Hey everybody, this is Leon and today I'm gonna show you how to integrate XR fragments into your projects. On the screen you can see documentation. It's hosted on xrfragment.org and on the repository. But I suggest we're gonna check out a project which already implemented XR fragments. And one of such projects is SearXR. This is a search engine. Well, basically, SearXR is a template for SearX, which is a meta search engine, privacy-friendly, open source. You can self-host it very easily. It's a very cool project. And you might wonder, what is a meta search engine? Well, it's basically a search engine which searches search engine. So a search engine. It's pretty cool and it's very easy to host, and you can extend it with all kinds of stuff. Let me take a quick look. There's even like federated or there is, oh yeah, here you can see. Well, just check out nlnet.nl/project, and there's like all kinds of cool projects around this SearX. So definitely check that out. Anyways, this one just to show you, if I'm searching for a paint application which is XR compatible, even if I want it to be WebXR compatible, which I think is the coolest. If you want to support a open spatial web, then WebXR is, I think, the best. But anyways, you can just search and you can visit these things. But if you watch closely, you can already see in the URL that it's actually showing a loaded scene. So basically this backdrop is a 3D scene, and it's actually this file, which is, I think, very cool, very transparent. You can see basically the source of the environment. And so this already gives it away. So just by changing, I could actually change this background if I would do this index.glb, or I think I don't even have to type it. It will basically detect whether there's a index.glb. As you can see, boom, it detected the index.glb. It's a bit like index.html if you're familiar with HTML. But here you can see, boom, it basically replaced the 3D scene. If you have a VR headset, you can dive in and you can actually basically browse 3D URLs which are linked to this model. Yeah, just I'm clicking on the wrong one here. You can, yeah, so you can actually serve 3D models like this without exiting immersive mode. This is really cool. So another thing to notice is that like, how was this implemented? How can an application, a search engine, suddenly be a XR fragment browser? Well, it's very, very easy. I'm gonna check the source now with you. And this is an A-frame application, and the magic is actually here. This is how easy it is to make your A-frame or 3JS app compatible with XR fragments. So here it's basically specifying the startup scene, and that's it. That will actually get you to this magic URL, and you can sort of like use this, and more importantly, your 3D models can use this to basically tell where they are. So one more thing, you can also enter a 3D model here. So if I enter, let's say, xrfragment.org other.glb, then it will also basically forward that to the XR fragment client. And here you can see that the URL updated itself so that you can see the environment. So that's one thing. But there's also another thing. It also is basically supporting an index fallback. So HTML has index.html as a fallback. And in the same way, this XR Fragment client also does it. So if you enter this, which is basically just the domain, then the index fallback will basically also check this, or this, or this. So it will basically check for possible 3D formats. So if let's just press enter on this, then you will see, boom, it sensed basically this index.glb as a fallback. And this is really handy because now you can just tell somebody, hey, serve to this and this domain, and you're ready to go. You can enter my web ring. So this is really cool, I think. And yeah, just so you know. Also check the documentation here. Here you can see the same, that it's basically telling you that you need to put this script tag here, and then somewhere, somehow, you need to specify your startup scene. And that's all there is. Then it will basically manage the URL bar for you, and then the back and forward buttons will automatically work. So yeah, this is basically the idea of XR Fragments. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Cheers!